Hello, Namaskar and Jai Hind everyone. So before I begin this video, I would like to congratulate everyone that have cracked their first stage of examination and got shortlisted for situation test, right? As we have seen the official notification from NTA, examination is about to be held on 13th of April, which is just standing at your doorstep, and timing is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So watch this video till the end, going to help this video in such a way that you will score better and how to improve overall ranking by just following simple tips and tricks. So starting with the things, that first thing is the situation test is 3D model making. My dear, it is not about 3D model making, but it is beyond than this. If you want to score above than average, then you have to keep in mind several things which I am discussing. So what is the things that you should keep in mind? So first and foremost thing is the right selection of choice of the questions, right? So there will be options, 3 different options. So you have to be, you are supposed to choose the perfect options for you, that will see that which option you should go and which option you have worked upon or the practice have already been done. So picking up the right option will also going to help you. Second is that time management. So 2 hours will be given for situation test. So you have to manage, divide 2 hours in such a way that the starting of the 1 hour and 40 to 45 minutes you will be giving for model making, and the remaining 15 minutes you have to keep this for writing and for sketching. Again, writing and the sketching is an integral part of your model making, that you will be writing that what you have made, and that will be base, that will be a kind of base and will work for examiner to evaluate you that what the things which you have which worked upon that behind this model making, that what things triggered you, what have been your source of inspiration, and how your model is different from other students. So smart writing is very important and mandatory if you want to score some kind of better marks or some good marks. Also sketching is very important. But I would suggest that after finishing your model, give at least 2 to 3 minutes to sketch, to draw whatever you have prepared in your model making, that 3D. Sketch something, like sketch whatever you have prepared and just sketch it. I think this is going to help you. Again, material exploration. Situation test is not just about making 3D model, just whatever you have planning, just cutting out a paper and sticking to it. Use material maximum as much as you can. Thus you will be getting so many materials like ice cream stick, toothpick, cotton, or maybe that aluminum foil, that thermocol ball, different types of paper, that is glaze paper, ivory, cartridge, and pastels. So the straw, and sometimes they will be giving you buttons and some related things, straw. So what will be the base? Again, what are the things which keep your model above from average student, that the best explorations and utilizations of material, that how you have used these given things. See, each and every students will be giving the same things, but how your model stand out and how your model will be stand out from other students, that will be the crux of the video, that how you will score different from what they are doing. So again, use of material is something which you should keep in mind. Last but not the least, that presentation is very important. Whatever you are making, right, make it presentable. Make it presentable in such a way that it should be aesthetically appealing, that it should look beautiful from outside. Again, it should be presentable. It means that there must be a background kind of thing you have created. There must be foreground things. There will be 2D or 3D mix of things that you have done. Not each and everything is done in 3D, and I would also suggest that this will only be the best of time, that you are just cutting out the edges of the things and you are sticking to it. So what I would suggest, compile different things, make 2D and 3D things all together and stick to it. Use things smartly. Also, if possible, try to cover the edges if you have not cut it out properly and neatly. So this is small things going to help you out. Again, make your model stable. Do not waste your time just to making stage or that platform. If your model is something time taken, you have planned and designed, then don't waste your time just to making the stage or the platform. What I would suggest, that stick to your model first, and then keep half an hour for decoration and for presentation. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. I will be coming up with lots of videos related to your course, design, field, career, and there are so many things to be discussed. Thank you for watching this video, and yes, keep supporting and sign right. Thank you.